Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. So, I am preparing my Sarracenias for springtime. I have all this dead growth, and you can see some new growth growing up. So, I want to clear out the dead growth so they look a lot more presentable as they bloom, flower, produce new pitchers. So, this way the insects are more attracted to them because they look nicer. So you want to pull the leaves out, and you want to make sure if you give it a simple tug and it comes out, then it's good. This way it's a simple way to remove the leaves that are completely dead without damaging any that still have any green at the bottom. I like to leave the living portions of the leaves on the plant just so I don't end up overstressing the plant and stuff like that one. I pulled too hard and it came out with some of the greenery. But anyway, that is a good way to take care of all this dead growth and prep the pitcher plants for springtime. I usually don't prune them in the fall because they can provide a little extra cover over the rhizome. Some people like to mulch their pitcher plants in the wintertime. I have not had any issues here in Zone 7 where the pitcher plants die over the winter when I don't mulch them. So it is fine. You just keep going at it, pulling all the easy to pull out leaves and stems of the flowers from the previous year, and you just keep at it. And it doesn't take too long. This took me about 20 minutes to do the whole 2 tubs of pitcher plants. And if you notice, the one on the right, I have one pitcher plant taking over and I have a few other smaller ones. So I'm hoping to move these smaller ones into another tub, and then I'll have that one hybrid that's taking over to just take over that whole tub. And you just keep at it. It doesn't take too long. And then once you have removed all the ones that easily come out, you can start to take some shears or clippers of some sort, pruners, if I'm using the right term, and start trimming off the dead part of the pitchers. So this way you can leave the green part underneath down without pulling it and essentially harming the rhizome, risk harming it. And you just will prune the tops and just keep pruning the tops. Be very careful not to pull any rhizomes. If you have a young plant growing on the side, to pull it and yank the whole piece off or break apart the rhizome. But if you do, you can always plant it and have a new plant to give to somebody to sell or to start a new area of pitcher plants in your yard. So that's all there is to this. And here is what they look like after I have completely pruned both tubs. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did enjoy it, please leave a comment. If you didn't, no need to leave a comment. But anyway, thanks for watching. Happy planting, and don't forget to subscribe.